Planning and organizing, using orderly procedures to meet objectives.
A goal without a plan is just a wish. It might come true, but you'll feel a lot better about getting what you want if you can establish some steps to make it happen.
You have to plan out the whole project. How are you going to engage with the public? When are you going to seek feedback? And then how are you going to use that feedback to create a plan that everybody is going to agree upon and eventually make it into reality, basically.
Planning and organizing begins with an idea of what you want, and then establishing some kind of framework. With whatever you plan, find a system that works for you. And essentially what you need is a grid, like a calendar, an outline, a flow chart, Post-its, something that can contain who and what goes where and when. Organization doesn't come easily to everybody, but you can establish some methods that make sense to you. Developing this skill means believing that everything has a time and a place, and you are the person to put things where they need to be.